Hello, welcome to today's game. I'm Clive Tilsley. With me in the commentary box is Andy Gray.
Oh, thanks, Clive, and I really can't wait for the start of this match.
It's still early days, but both these sides will be keen to get a result today. Where you lie in the table after the first 10 games or so is rarely far from where you actually finish up.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more, and that's why these early games are vital.
Real sense of anticipation here at kick-off. So much has been said and written about this game. Defender just picked it up, no problem. Shooting chance here. They've got it away, they can organise themselves again now. Can he score? He's got a chance here. Bounces off the keeper.
Well, the first save of the match is always an important one for you.
And the ball out for a corner. Must shoot. The defender couldn't handle him there. It's there! And they are in the lead!
Well, he doesn't miss these. Anything that drops in and around the 6-yard box, he's on to it like lightning. Great finish.
He's opened his account for the campaign with that one. He'll be hoping for a few more before the season's done. The first goal of this game arrived after 17 minutes. Some players just love defending. He's beaten his man. Now look at this. Can't hold it. They've got to put them under more pressure than that. He'll shoot! It's there!
Well, that is one word for it. Stunning.
It's an advantage that allows them to dictate terms a bit now. They can choose to protect it or they can opt to build on it. And that goal doubles their lead. It's now 2-0. So many individual battles being fought out. Lost the ball on the wing. Shooting space here. Kicked away. What will he do here? Very, very close.
Well, chances like that don't come along too often in the game, but when they do, you really have to take them. Golden opportunity.
Laid up the pitch out of defence. Can he beat the last defender? Shoot, will he? Knocked away by the keeper. Good tackle. Can he finish? Clears. He had his geography all right there. He knew where he was. He knew where his opponent was too. Must score, surely. Oh, it's got in!
Clive, you got your calculator there? Because I tell you what, we might need it by the end of this game.
He had a bit too much skill for them there. Cleverly done. No doubting who the happier. Here we go then for the second half. Another 45 minutes to enjoy. Pushing forward for the back. Needed to snuff that out. So little space out there. This isn't a match in which anybody can hide. It's so competitive. He got that ball away from the danger area. That's played back into his own box. Downfield from the keeper. A fine header. The ball just ran for him there. Crucial tackle. Claimed in midfield. Laying it around well here. Couldn't put a single question. Needs to pick, pulls a foul. Conceded a throw in. Good defending. Just managed to stop him. Now, can he take the chance? Certainly can't argue with the willingness of the players to work and harry. So we have a throw in. Defenders could be outnumbered here. Can he beat the keeper? Met that with his head. They just crowded him out there. He's a good striker of the ball. It's a good long ball. Well recovered. Played in dangerously. Goalkeeper makes a good save low down. Good tackle. It's gone out, they'll get a throw in. Lost the ball out wide.
Well, watch and learn, everybody, because this is how you should defend.
He'll chance it. It gets cleared. Good header. Real chance here. It's got in.
Well, I always think it's nice to get the first one out the way, Clive.
When substitutes fail to make an impact, they take the blame. When they do well, the manager takes the credit.
Well, to win a game, you really have got to defend well, and you can't argue they're doing just that.
Chance to score! It's still loose.
Well, I just think it was the goalkeeper's good position that made the save look easy.
I've had one or two problems from corners in this match. He is a good header of the ball. Wasn't frightened to have a go. Corner kick. Has a shot. I've had one or two problems from corners in this match. Well played, high upfield. Who is having none of it. Hugging the touchline. Can he score? Didn't hold it. Comes to nothing. So 4-0 here at the final whistle. And not a match to remember in many ways.
He's been good today, the goalkeeper. And the best thing about it was his clean sheet.
myself. にできてる今この扉を開けばすべ